Hello, my name is Brian Lembuss. I'm 28 years old, aviation and aerospace professional and founder of Kilimo Anga, an initiative born out of my roots in Kenya's farming communities. In Kenya, millions of smallholder farmers struggle with low yields and high input costs. Up to 45% of fertilizers and pesticides go to waste, while pests, diseases, and climate change make farming unpredictable. The result? Food insecurity, financial stress, and degraded soils. My little big thing is bringing the power of the sky to the soil. Kilimo Anga is a locally built precision agriculture solution that uses technology to let farmers know exactly where their crops need water, fertilizer, or pest control. This means less waste, higher yields, and more resilient farms. I grew up around maize farming and saw firsthand how guesswork hurts farmers. I believe African problems need African solutions, and that innovation should start in our own backyards. Kilimo Anga is proof that we can build world-class technology right here for our people. From sky to soil, we are intent to transform farming, one field at a time. Thank you.